Hi everyone, welcome back to Your Shine on our Friday Sparkle Simple and Effective Strategies for a Clean Home and Office edition. If you want your carpet to look like this, from this to this, then keep on watching. Hi, my name is Joanna and I own a six-figure cleaning company for 11 years and counting. Today, we will give professional advice for holiday stain removal for your homes using a simple ingredients. If you want to see how do we tackle commercial stain removal, please comment commercial below. We compiled steps for you on how to remove wine, grease, lipstick, candle, and chocolate stains on your carpet or upholstery. I hope this will give you more value. Before we start, here are some important tips you need to know. First, avoid using colored or printed cloths for blotting as the dye may transfer to the carpet. Second, always test any cleaning solution in hidden area to ensure it doesn't damage or discolor your carpet. Number 3, work from outside of the stain toward to the center to prevent spreading. Number 4, patience is the key. Take your time in each step to avoid causing additional damage. And number 5, extraction is very important in this process for professional result. Please note that the stains will be for 7 days prior to removal. Let's gather our supplies. The first stain, red wine. You will need the following: gloves, clean cloth, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, and wet and dry shop vac. First, blot the stain with a clean cloth to absorb excess wine. And step 2, mix 1 tablespoon of dish soap with 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. And step 3, apply the mixture to the stain and blot until the stain lifts. And step 4, for professional result, always extract using your wet shop vac to remove any moisture left in your carpet. And step 5, repeat the process when necessary. Second stain, lipstick. Let's gather our supplies. You'll need the following: gloves, knife, soap, vinegar, warm water, and a shop vac. In step 1, mix a solution of warm water and a mild dish soap. And step 2, apply a small amount to the stain and blot with a clean cloth. Repeat until the stain diminishes. And step 3, for stubborn stains, mix 1 part of white vinegar with 2 parts of water and apply and blot. Rinse with water after to remove any vinegar residue. And step 4, once the stains are lifted, extract using your wet and dry vacuum. And third stain, chocolate stains. You will need gloves, cloth, brush, knife, cold water, soap, and shop vac. In step 1, scrape off any excess with a spoon or knife. In this process, please be patient. And step 2, rinse the stained area with cold water. In this step, make sure you cold water, not hot water. And step 3, treat with a mixture of mild detergent and water before washing. And in step 4, for stubborn stains, mix 1 part of vinegar and with 2 parts of water. Apply the cleaning mixture in an affected area and rinse with water afterward to remove any vinegar residue. And step 5, once the stains are lifted, extract using your wet and dry vacuum. Repeat the process if necessary. And for stains, it's salmon grease. You will need the following: soap, hot and cold water, clean cloth, and shop vac. And step 1, after 1 week, this grease have dried, but if you find it's greasy, grab a paper towel or sprinkle with baking soda. And step 2, vacuum or brush away the baking soda before treating with a grease-cutting dish soap. And step 3, mix water and 1 tablespoon of soap and blot the affected area until the stains are no longer visible. Step 4, remove excess moisture using your shop vac. The 5th stain and the hardest stain we remove in this process, but we get it done. You will need the following: knife, lots of paper towels, iron, vinegar, and cold water. You can also use white cloth. First, agitate by scraping off excess wax with a blunt knife or a credit card. Be cautious not to damage the carpet fibers. Step 2, place a clean white cloth or a paper towel over the remaining wax stains. Use a warm iron on a low setting to heat the cloth. The heat will melt the wax. In this step, patience is a virtue. In step 3, rotate the cloth to a clean area as the wax is absorbed. Repeat the process until the wax is no longer transferring to the paper towel or cloth. Yay, can you see that? It transfers. Step 5. For any residual wax or color, apply a small amount of vinegar to a clean white cloth or paper towel and blot the area. Don't forget to test before you apply the vinegar. And step 5, rinse with water. And lastly, step 6, use wet and dry vacuum to remove excess moisture. And there you go, we remove 5 stains easily with simple ingredients. By following these professional steps, you can effectively remove stains from your carpet, restoring its appearance without compromising its integrity. For figure stains, it's always wise to call your local professional cleaning company for a precise and effective way of removing your stains. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, please feel free to comment below more and the stains do you want us to remove next time. Remember, quick action is the key to effective stain removal. Always check fabric care levels and test cleaning solutions in inconspicuous area before applying. Always remember, your currency is your energy, so spend it wisely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!